The Shape Builder tool allows you to create complex shapes visually. Using this tool, you can very easily combine different shapes or delete portion of shapes. The Shape Builder tool is located here on the toolbar, or you can press Shift M to activate it. To demonstrate the use of Shape Builder tool, I have drawn some basic shapes on the artboard. So in order to use the Shape Builder tool, first you have to select the object. So take the selection tool and select the object, and then select the Shape Builder tool. So when you hover your mouse over the shape, you will see these gray highlights. Now to merge two shapes together, you just need to click and drag from one shape to another, like this. See, the two circles have been merged. You can also delete shapes using the Shape Builder tool. Say I want to remove these shapes, so to do this, just press Option key on Mac or Alt key on Windows and click and drag over the shape that you want to remove. And when you release the mouse, the shapes will be deleted. One thing you should note about the Shape Builder tool is that the objects or shapes need to be touching or intersecting each other. Then only the Shape Builder tool works. So if I want to combine these two squares which do not touch each other, I cannot combine them. You can create fancy artwork using simple shapes and the Shape Builder tool alone. Here I have a rounded rectangle and two circles. So if I merge these shapes and delete these shapes, I can create a callout sign that easily. There is one more thing to add. If you press Shift while using the Shape Builder tool, you can draw a square or rectangular marquee to merge or delete shapes like this.